English lessons with Teacher Erin. Practice English conversation. Level A2, Beginner. Taking transportation. Dialogue. Say it. Dialogue. Say it. Excuse me, how do I get to the mall? Hi, the fastest way is to take the bus near the park. There's a bus stop at the northwest corner of the park. Thank you. How much does the bus cost? The bus costs $1. You need bus number 2. It runs every 25 minutes. Thank you. You're welcome. Learning English is so fun. See you next time.